Number 5 investigates report the state trial court's changing how it deals with employees who are in trouble with the law.
Well, our Mike Bodette first raised questions about the policy last year after discovering employees getting paid for years to stay at home. So, Mike, what's the new policy?
Jessica, the new policy allows the trial court to suspend employees who are the subject of a criminal investigation without pay. Previously, the court could only suspend employees without pay if they'd been charged with a crime. The paid leave controversy dates back to 2017, with key evidence captured on video obtained exclusively by 5 Investigates. It's from a state police hidden camera placed inside an elevator at Plymouth County Superior Court in Brockton. The woman is seen stashing drugs in the elevator railing, which are then picked up by inmates brought into the elevator by court officers. The trial court placed 3 officers on paid leave while state police investigated. 5 Investigates first raised questions about the court officers last year after discovering they'd been on paid leave, collecting their $80,000 a year salaries for not working for more than 4 years. What's your reaction?
It's a complete waste of taxpayer money.
Paul Craney is with Massachusetts Fiscal Alliance, which pushes for fiscal responsibility, transparency, and accountability in state government.
In the private sector, at most jobs, if there's issues, people are asked to move on.
The trial court eventually fired the 3 court officers, Mark Bradley, David LaRosa, and William Roach. But they were never charged with a crime, deny any involvement, and are fighting to get their jobs back.
I think this particular case made us look hard at that policy and whether it would be more responsible to make changes to it in the future.
Jeff Morrow was the director of security for the trial court who referred the case to the state police. That investigation went on for a long time.
It did. And I think that certainly didn't make anybody happy or comfortable. But we had committed to a process, and that process was that the criminal investigation took priority.
But now the trial court has changed the policy. It no longer has to wait for an employee to be charged with a crime to place that person on unpaid leave. If someone's the subject of a criminal investigation, it can now suspend the employee with or without pay. But there's a catch. Right now, the policy only applies to managers, so it would not have made a difference in the case of the 3 court officers because they're union employees. The trial court tells us making this policy change for union employees requires collective bargaining, and negotiations on a new contract are just getting started. Mike Bodette, 5 Investigates.